Does the timing of the injections and the medicines given during IVF changes the results or outcome? So the answer is yes. So first I talk about the stimulation period, which is done when the injections are given to the patient for the retrieval of the eggs. So in this case, the timing of the injection has to be specific. Your IVF specialist will prescribe you few injections which has to be taken in the window period of 1 to 1.5 hours. Why it is so? Because when the injections are given to you, in 24 hours they metabolize and they go out of your body. So to maintain the concentration in your body, we have to take injections approximately on the same time with a window period of 1 to 1.5 hours. And about the trigger. So the trigger is one important injection which is given for the maturation of your eggs, and your IVF specialist usually prescribe it on a particular time and the day. So you have to be very careful about the timing of this injection. If your doctor has prescribed it at 11 p.m., that means you have to take it at 11 p.m. because your procedure is posted according to this injection, which is done under 36 to 35 hours of this injection. So whenever you are doing IVF treatment, be very careful about the injection timings. Now coming to the medicines which are given after the embryo transfer. So many of my patients, they come because they get tired of taking so many tablets and medicines. So they ask me the usual question that, ma'am, can we skip 1 or 2 tablets, or can we not take one of the injections? So you have to be very careful and you have to understand one point. When you get pregnant naturally, your body is making the hormones, and your body is very smart and intelligent. It makes the hormones in a particular level and the concentration of those hormones is maintained. But when we are giving you injections and tablets after doing the embryo transfer, that means we are trying to maintain the concentration in your body at the same level. So if you skip one of your tablets like estrogen or the progesterone, then the levels goes down, and that affects the outcome of the embryo transfer, outcome of the pregnancy. So when your doctor has prescribed you few medications on particular time, please take those tablets and those injections on that same time. And in any case, if you have skipped any medicine, so please inform your doctor. And in the cases of post-embryo transfer, your doctor will be definitely prescribing you few injections which will be changed to the other type. So when this transition is happening, then do not skip any of the injection. Always take the injections on the same dates as it has been prescribed. So I hope that you have understood that the injections, the tablets given during IVF treatment are the vital part of your pregnancy and your outcome. Thank you so much.